Welcome this video titled The Allure of Our Ground Fiber Glass Pool a modern appear to backyard build. Introducing in the real of backyard oasis create a above ground fiber pool. Here emerge as a popular and innovation choice of house owner slip of a perfect blend of functional, aesthetic, and easy main interest tranquility in ground pool have demands to mark but also upper fiberglass pool is marked away often arranged to benefit that center of your contemporary living space. The expel the allure of upper ground fiberglass shape lights though throwing avoiding and away than here become should after other of those looked of elevate their outdoor living space. Easy install. One of the permanent attach of above ground fiber glass pool is those easy of install unlike is ground pool fiberglass pool can be quality and affect install. This not only save time but also significant reduce install can. Homeowner can easy the luxury of swimming pool outdoor brook. The bank make it an effect other of those on a budget or look of a more cost effect solved.